Okay, language explorers. Let's look at the noun area. 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 So a place. A place. A region, a collection of places, a larger area, or part of countryside. The countryside, a village, town, or city. So I live in a city. City. Yeah. Here's the city. So if we say, here is the city, I live in this area in the city. I live in this area of the city. Yeah. Makes sense. Yeah, I live in this area. Oh, let's just change that. Yeah, very good. I live in this area. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So I have not been to that area. So we could say this area. I have not been to that area. Not been. I have not been to that area. That area over there. I've not been to that area. There are lots of areas. Areas. 2 plus. To explore. To explore. To go and travel. To discover new things. To go and travel, discover new things. Explore. Go and travel, discover new things. Or new areas, new places, new things. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So when I went to that area, it was a nice sunny day. Ah, very good. Yeah. Makes sense. In fact, I wonder, can we get yeah, here oh, perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Whoop. Yeah. A nice sunny day. Can we move it? Oh, we can. Very nice. A nice sunny day. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So, she is in that area of the city. So she is in that area, let's say here, of the city. The city. Yeah. I am thinking, I, subject, am, thinking, verb, that I should go to a new area. Noun as the object. New area. Rather than there, maybe go there. Or maybe there. Okay, maybe. Yeah, maybe I should go. Maybe I should. Yeah. So, there are a lot of areas and places that I want to go to in the world. Yeah, definitely. Everywhere, loads of places. Just look at a map. Let's move that. Yeah. So look at a map and just go. Look at a map and just go. I want to go to that area, there, to that place, that area, over there, to that region, over there, to that village maybe in the middle of nowhere, even that town, because I heard the area around the town, around it, is beautiful, unique, amazing. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, so area. How cool is that, Language Explorers? And subscribe to the channel. More videos every day. You can find me on Facebook and Telegram, English with Adrian, and Udemy, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.